I don't practice Santeria, I ain't got no crystal ball. Well, I had $1,000,000, but I'd spend it all if I could find that Hannah and that Sancho that she found. Well, I'd pop a cap in Sancho and I'd slap her down. Well, I really wanna know, my baby. Well, I really wanna say I can't define